Welcome to Compare to Win. The best Fidget Toy Kit is probably one of the most versatile and engaging sensory toolkits available today, offering a diverse collection of items designed to provide tactile stimulation and promote focus for individuals of all ages. Whether you're looking for stress relief, a way to improve concentration during work or study, or simply a fun way to keep your hands busy and minds calm amidst the hustle and bustle of daily life. Number 5. UpBrands 48 Prizes Zipper Bracelets. Introducing a fantastic pack of 48 zipper bracelets, perfect for any party or as a fun fidget toy. These are a hit with kids and adults alike. Looking for the ultimate party favor? These bracelets are a popular choice for birthdays, treat bags, and piñata fillers, guaranteed to be a hit. These sensory toys offer great stress relief and help improve focus. They are ideal for children with ADHD or autism, providing a calming fidget experience. From Easter baskets and Halloween treats to classroom rewards and pool parties, these versatile bracelets are perfect for any event or celebration. Enjoy a wide variety of bright, vivid colors in this bulk pack. You get excellent value, making them an affordable choice for all your gifting needs. Designed to keep hands engaged and minds calm, these bracelets are a must-have. They are a fun alternative to other novelty toys and offer a unique fidget experience. What we like? If you're planning a party and need a large quantity of fun, affordable favors, this is the perfect choice. These zipper bracelets come in a vibrant assortment of colors, making them ideal for goodie bags, piñata fillers, or as general giveaways. They offer great value for bulk purchases, ensuring you have plenty for any celebration. What people say. The variety of fidget toys included is impressive, offering different textures and mechanisms for sensory input. Each toy is well made and durable, designed to withstand frequent use without breaking. The kit is great for improving focus and concentration, especially for individuals who benefit from tactile stimulation. Number 4. BUNMO Magnetic Fidget Rings. Discover the BUNMO Magnetic Fidget Rings, the ultimate fidget toy for adults and teens. These cool, quiet fidgets are designed for endless fun and focus. Keep your hands engaged discreetly at work, school, or home. These magnetic rings provide a simple, hands-on way to maintain focus during any activity. Experience superior performance with 8 powerful and 50-grade magnets. They offer smoother, more satisfying fidgeting for keeping your hands busy. Enjoy silent spinning and clicking without disturbing others. Their quiet, unobtrusive design makes them ideal for work, class, or home. Made with high-quality, BPA-free, and non-toxic materials, these rings are safe for all-day use. They are durable and designed for long-lasting enjoyment. Compact and portable, they fit easily in your pocket or bag. Take them anywhere for quiet, satisfying fidgeting wherever you go. What we like? For those who need a discreet way to fidget, especially in quiet environments like work or school, these magnetic rings are ideal. Their strong magnets allow for satisfying manipulation and the potential to learn tricks, all while remaining silent and unobtrusive. If you're looking for a sophisticated and portable fidget solution, these are a great pick. What people say. This kit is an excellent stress reliever and helps improve focus. The variety of fidget toys included is impressive, offering something for everyone. Durable and well-made, these toys are designed to withstand frequent use. Number 3. Fidget Simple Fidget Pack 35 PCS Sensory Toys. Discover an amazing collection of 35 sensory fidget toys designed for endless entertainment. This pack has everything you need for fun and stress relief. From spinners and squishies to puzzles and more, this set includes a huge variety of fidgets. You'll find all your favorites right here. This is a truly valuable set that works for everyone. Boys, girls, adults, and seniors can all find fidgets they love to play with. These toys are more than just fun, they're also therapeutic. They help reduce stress, improve focus, and provide a calming effect for kids and adults alike. Looking for the perfect gift? This fidget pack makes an ideal present for birthdays, holidays, parties, or just because. They're great for classroom prizes too. Keep boredom at bay and stress under control with these portable toys. Take them anywhere to enjoy a moment of calm and fun. What we like? If you're seeking a diverse collection of fidget toys that cater to a wide range of ages and sensory needs, this 35-piece set is an excellent option. It includes a variety of textures and mechanisms, making it suitable for stress relief, focus enhancement, and family fun. This set is perfect for classrooms, gift-giving, or anyone wanting a comprehensive introduction to fidget toys. What people say. This is a great collection of fidget toys, offering a variety of textures and sensory experiences. The toys are well made and durable, holding up to frequent use. It includes a good mix of popular fidgets like the Pop-It, fidget spinner, and stress balls, providing something for everyone. Number 2. 160-pack fidget toys for kids. Get ready for endless fun with this incredible pack of 160 fidget toys. It's packed with a huge variety of sensory toys designed for kids. These toys are made with high-quality materials, built tough to withstand all kinds of play. They meet U.S. toy safety standards, so you can be confident in their durability and safety. You won't believe the value packed into this single box. With 25 different types of fidget toys, it's perfect for parties, rewards, and gifts, saving you the hassle of buying separate items. Whether it's birthdays, classroom rewards, or stocking stuffers, these are the ideal choice. They're also a fantastic, calming option for children with autism, ADHD, or high stress. Say goodbye to messy party favors. These quiet, mess-free fidget toys are a hit with everyone. They're perfect for goodie bags and prizes, keeping little hands busy and smiles bright. Looking for the perfect prize or gift? These are ideal for carnivals, piñatas, Christmas, and more. They make wonderful small gifts for any occasion, bringing joy and stress relief. What we like. When you need an overwhelming amount of fidget options for a large event or to stock up for various occasions, this 160-piece mega pack is unbeatable. With 25 distinct types of toys, it guarantees something for everyone, from young children to those with sensory needs. Its value and durability make it a top choice for party favors, classroom rewards, and extensive gift-giving. What people say. This kit has a variety of fidget toys that are great for sensory input. The toys are well made and durable, with different textures and functions. It's a good value for the number of items included, offering diverse options for fidgeting. Number 1. Original Stationery Fidget Pop Stationery Set. Inspire young minds with vibrant designs and interactive elements. This set promotes creativity and focus through sensory toys and a fidget pen, perfect for ages 7 and up. Enhance concentration during study sessions with our calming fidget pen and pop notebook. These tools minimize screen time while providing enjoyable sensory engagement. This stationery set includes a pop notebook and sensory toys, encouraging cognitive development through play. It supports educational growth with a fun, interactive experience. Ensure entertainment and engagement during car rides with this comprehensive fidget toy pack. It provides on-the-go creativity and fun for young learners. Delight any child with this thoughtfully designed stationery set, perfect for sparking imagination. It combines sensory play with social interaction for a memorable gift. What we like. If you're looking for a unique gift that combines practical stationery with engaging sensory play, this set is perfect. It's designed to inspire creativity and focus, especially for children aged 7 and up, making study sessions more enjoyable. Its portable nature also makes it an excellent companion for car rides and on-the-go entertainment. What people say. The variety of fidget toys included in the kit is impressive, offering different textures and mechanisms to keep hands busy. Each toy is well made and durable, designed to withstand frequent use without breaking. The compact size of the kit makes it easy to carry around, perfect for on-the-go stress relief. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.